everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Journey. I'm Olivia, and today, as always, I'm joined by Ethan.
Hey guys, great to have you here again. Hope you're ready to learn and have some fun.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It really helps us grow and make more easy English lessons for you.
Exactly. And if you're new here, welcome. Grab your tea or coffee, relax, and let's make English simple together.
Part 1, Talking about yourself. Today's lesson is super helpful, especially if you're just starting to learn English.
That's right, because today we'll show you how to talk about yourself in English.
Yes, many learners say, I can read and understand, but when someone asks, tell me about yourself, they freeze.
Yeah, you just stand there like, my name,
Exactly. We want to make sure that never happens again.
By the end of this episode, you'll be able to introduce yourself easily, confidently, and naturally.
We'll start simple. Short, clear sentences you can use in real life when you meet someone new at school, work, or online.
Because introductions aren't just grammar, they're about connection.
Okay, let's start with your name. The most basic and important thing to say when you meet someone new.
You'd be surprised how many people make this sound awkward. Some learners say, I am called Ethan. That's correct, but it sounds a bit formal.
Exactly. In everyday English, we just say, I'm Ethan, or my name's Ethan. Short, friendly, natural.
So, if someone asks, what's your name? You can answer, I'm Olivia, or my name's Olivia.
And here's a tip. Say it with a smile. It makes a huge difference.
Let's try a short example. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Ethan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See? Simple and friendly.
Part 3. Saying where you're from.
Next question people ask is, where are you from?
Yes, it's one of the most common small talk questions in English.
The easiest way to answer is, I'm from, and then your country or city.
For example, I'm from Japan. I'm from Mexico. I'm from a small town near Paris.
And if you live somewhere else now, you can say, I'm from Brazil, but I live in London.
Or, I was born in India, but I grew up in Canada.
Perfect. That makes your answer sound natural and interesting.
Let's do an example again. Hi, I'm Olivia. I'm from Italy.
Nice. I'm Ethan. I'm from Canada, but I live in Spain.
Part 4. Talking about your job or study. Okay, next question. What do you do?
You can say, I'm a teacher, or I'm a student. If your job starts with a vowel sound, say an. For example, I'm an artist.
And if you don't want to say your exact job, you can say, I work in, like, I work in IT, or I work in marketing.
If you're a student, that's easy. I'm a student. I study English at university.
Let's do one more example. Hi, I'm Olivia. I'm from Italy. I'm a designer.
Hi, I'm Ethan. I'm from Canada. I work in education.
Part 5. Talking about age and family. Now let's talk about age and family, but don't worry, we'll keep it natural.
You can say, I'm 25 years old, or just, I'm 25. Simple.
And you can make it friendly. I'm 25, but I feel like 18.
Yes. For family, you can say, I have one brother, or I live with my parents.
And remember, in British English, people often say, I've got. I've got 2 sisters.
Let's do a short one. Hi, I'm Ethan. I'm 29. I've got one sister.
Hi, I'm Olivia. I'm 25. I live with my parents and my dog. Part 6. Talking about hobbies.
Yes, this is where your personality shines. You can say, I like, or I love.
For example, I love cooking. I like watching movies. I enjoy traveling.
Or say, I'm into, for a casual style. I'm into music. I'm into fitness.
Let's try it. Hi, I'm Olivia. I love painting and traveling.
Hi, I'm Ethan. I'm into hiking and photography.
Part 7. Fun facts. Now, add something interesting about yourself. A fun fact.
Yes, something that makes people go, wow, really?
You can start with, actually, or it might surprise you, but.
For example, actually, I can speak 3 languages. It might surprise you, but I'm afraid of heights.
Let's do one more. Hi, I'm Olivia. I'm from Italy. Actually, I used to draw comics as a kid.
Nice. I'm Ethan. I'm from Canada. It might surprise you, but I once met my favorite singer at the airport.
Part 8. Putting it all together. Now let's put everything together. Hi, I'm Olivia. I'm from Italy. I'm a designer. I love painting and traveling. Actually, I used to draw comics as a kid. Nice to meet you.
Hi. I'm Ethan. I'm from Canada. I'm an English teacher. I love hiking and taking photos. It might surprise you, but I've been skydiving once, and never again.
Part 9. Practice and wrap up. See? Short, natural, and personal. That's the best way to introduce yourself.
Yes, don't overthink it. Just be yourself.
Try writing your own version using these steps and record yourself speaking. It's great practice.
And remember, English is not just grammar. It's about connection.
Exactly. Keep learning, keep smiling, and we'll see you next time on Easy English Journey.
Bye, everyone.